What is scope creep and how do plumbers stop it? Scope creep is when a plumbing job slowly grows bigger than what was first agreed on, adding extra work and extra cost without a clear new agreement. Plumbers stop it by writing down the original job clearly and getting written approval before doing anything extra. Think of scope creep like ordering a small pizza, but the cook keeps adding toppings you never asked for, and then you get a bigger bill at the end. In plumbing, this happens when a simple fix, like replacing a leaky pipe, turns into replacing the whole wall because the plumber found more damage while working. A good plumber will stop, show you what they found, and explain why the extra work is needed before touching anything else. Something a lot of homeowners do not know is that many contracts include a clause called a change order, which is basically a mini new agreement for any added work. This protects both the homeowner and the plumber because everyone agrees on the new price and the new task in writing. Smart plumbers take photos of hidden problems, like rotted pipes or mold, so the homeowner can see proof before agreeing to pay more. This builds trust and keeps the original plan from quietly turning into something much bigger. One common mistake is agreeing to extra work over a quick phone call instead of getting it in writing, so always ask for a written change order before saying yes. Another mistake is assuming the first quote covers everything, when really it might only cover the visible problem and not what is hiding behind the wall, so ask the plumber directly what could increase the price. A lot of people also do not realize that rushing a plumber to finish faster can actually cause more scope creep because rushed work sometimes misses root problems that show up again later, so it is worth giving the job proper time from the start. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.